Hey everyone, I'll discuss about phonology in Turkic languages, some of them. So I will use IPA. So IPA is International Phonetic Alphabet. So you have to know, if you want to know the sounds, the phonology of any language, the IPA is important. So here are some examples. For example, first one, the first simple, it's like G, it's voiced uvular plosive. So it's pronounced like K, back in the throat, K. Second one is voiced velar plosive. It's like in gold, garlic, it's G, G. It's velar, not uvular. So third one, it's voiced palatal plosive. So it's G sound, but on the palate. So it's G. It sounds like G. And Q, voiceless uvular plosive. So it's like in Arabic, qaf, Q. It's K, but it's back in the throat, Q. And voiceless velar plosive, it's K. It's like in car, cool, kiss. And the last one is voiceless palatal plosive. So it's like K, but on the palate. So it's soft, like K, K. So I will give you some examples on some Turkic languages, how it sounds, the written form and pronunciation. Let's go. I will start with Turkmen language, my own native language, Turkmenche. So on the left side it's written form, on the right side is pronunciation. So first one, qash. It means eyebrow. Qash. Not like gosh, it's qash. So qol, it's an arm. Qol. Qush. Qush, it's a bird. We have k sound too in Turkmen. So I gave two examples. Kak, to hit, kak. In written form we use k, but in pronunciation it's k. And bak, to look, bak, or to look after. So göz, göz, it means eye. So we have in our language z is inner dental, göz. Gel, it means come, gel. Kim, it means who, kim. Keth, keth, it means cut, to cut. Let's move on. Azerbaijani Turkic. So on the left it's written form, right pronunciation. So in Azerbaijani they use Q in written form, but the pronunciation is not like Q or K or K. It's G, velar, voiced velar plosive. So gash, it means eyebrow. I chose the same words before that, like I used in Turkmen. Gol, an arm. Gush, a bird. Gush. Göz. See differences here. In Turkmen it was göz, g, but in Azerbaijani they say göz, g. Some of them say two, like it's more than that. Some of them say göz, göz. So gel, gel. The g is different. Gel. Some of them say, you can hear on some dialects, gel, near to J. So kim, it's also different from Turkmen. Turkmen is kim, it's k. But in Azerbaijan it's ki, kim. Or some dialects can say chim. Maybe I'm wrong, but you will write in the comments. Kes, kes. It's not like Turkmen, keth. It's not k. It's kes. It's on the palate. Ke. Let's move on. Turkish. I chose the same words as I said. Kaş, an eyebrow. Kaş. It's k. In Turkish there is no k sound like in Turkmen or Kazakh or Kyrgyz or Uzbek, like in Arabic qaf. In Turkish it's K. Kaş, kol, kuş. So göz. Göz, it's an eye. So it's similar to Azerbaijani, but it's on the palate. Göz. Gel. Gel. In Turkmen it was gel. G. Back. A little bit back. But in Turkish it's on the palate. Gel. G. Kim. Kim. Also on the palate. Not like kim or like in Turkmen. It's not like that. It's kim. Kes. Ki. Ke. Kes. So on a pronunciation side, see, I wrote with a C, so don't confuse with Turkish J. I used IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. Kazakh language. So it's also, all of them are Turkic. So let's go. Kas, kas. So it's normal k sound. It's voiceless, uvular, plosive. Kas, kol, kus, köz, kel, kim, kes. So you can see it's easy. So it's not like in Turkish or Azerbaijani K with the front vowels. It's similar to Turkmen, and back vowels K also not like in Turkish. It's K. Okay, Kyrgyz language. So same words, same meanings. Just one difference is the second word kol. In Oghuz languages, kol means arm, but in the other languages like Kyrgyz, Kazakh, Uzbek, it means hand, both arm. So let's go. Kaş, eyebrow. Kol, hand. Kuş, bird. Köz or göz. So the difference here is in Kyrgyz, I heard some of them use g sound, some of them k, but written form is with k. Köz or göz. Kel, gel, kim, gim. Some of them say kim, some of them say gim. Kes, some of them say guess. So can you write in the comments so which one is the official? So where we use K or K, why it's written in K. Okay, let's go. Uzbek language, Uzbekçe. So the difference is here the vowel O in Uzbek is like mid-back rounded vowel. It's not like A or O, it's between all of them. It's like A. So first, same words, kosh, kosh. So before it was like in, for example, in Kyrgyz it was kash, in Azerbaijani gash. So it's not proper A. In official Uzbek language there is no proper A. It's O or A. So second one, kol. So it's a hand. So it's not like in Turkish K. Again, I'm repeating. It's K. Kuş, a bird. Kuz. So two different pronunciations I'm hearing. So some of them say kuz, some of them say köz. Kel, come. Kim, so same. Some of them say kim, some of them say kim. Kes. See, so that's it. Write your opinions in the comments. Thanks. Sağ olun, sağ aman oturun.